This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Hi guys, welcome back. In this lecture, I will show you how to use HTML underline tag. You have to open Notepad++ software. At first, you have to type HTML structure. Doc type HTML. Then you have to input HTML tag start, then HTML tag close. Now click in the middle of the HTML tag, then press enter. Now type head tag start, then head tag close, body tag start, then body tag close, then footer tag start, then footer tag close. Now click in the middle of the head tag, type the title tag. Here the title tag start, then here title tag close. Now you have to input the title in the middle of the title tag. Just click on here and type the title. This is a practice of HTML underline tag. Now click in the middle of the body tag, then press enter. Now you have to input HTML underline tag. Here underline tag start, then here underline tag close. Now click in the middle of the underline tag and type this is a practice of HTML underline tag. As usual, you have to save this HTML document. Click on save icon, then select desktop. Find the web design folder from the desktop. Just open it. Select the file name and type underline. You have to change the save as type. Just click on here. Select the hypertext markup language file. Click on save. The HTML document is successfully saved on your computer. Now you have to close this HTML document. Click on close icon. Then you have to close the Notepad++ software. Now open web design folder. Right click on underline HTML file. You can select any browser from here. Now I want to run the HTML document with Google Chrome, so I am selecting Google Chrome. You can see the HTML document is successfully run. and the HTML underline tag is working properly. I hope you are able to learn how to use HTML underline tag.